Here at FirstBuild, our most popular tools for community use are our laser cutters. They are fast, they're precise, you can make really cool pictures, you can engrave, you can cut through really thin materials. They're really awesome and they are constantly booked. So we figured maybe we should get some more lasers. Enter the Thunderbolt. So this laser is super awesome, let's check it out. So this is the Bolt by Thunder Laser. The cutting bed is 20 by 12, is a 30 watt RF laser, so it actually kind of cuts like a 45 watt laser. It specializes in engraving. It can cut through normal 1/4 inch material just like the other lasers, but where it really shines is the very beautiful, nice crisp black line engraving. So this machine, just like most other lasers, uses Lightburn. It's a software that is very easy to use. It is different from the universal laser software. We have a video where Marissa walks you through that entire process. It'll be linked in a card up there. But this software is super easy. Let's dive into it and I can show you. So just like anything that you're gonna put in the laser, you need an image. So I made this image in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to be making a trophy for an upcoming competition we have here at FirstBuild. I exported this as a PDF to Lightburn, and this is Lightburn. You can choose any one of these colors to assign a bunch of different cut paths. So if you want to cut, you want to score, you want to engrave, you want different types of engraving, you can do all of that in one big chunk over here in the cuts and layers. And the cool thing about the Bolt is that it has a camera. And I'll show you once we get over to the laser, but there is a button where you can click on the camera and it will take a shot of the material and it'll place it directly on the design bed here in Lightburn, so you can move your image around, and then you can use the frame to where the laser will actually outline the boundaries to make sure that you actually are on your material. But this software is super simple. You can do a lot of design work, you can add text, you can do offsets, you can do a lot of very basic design work and then export it straight out to the laser. Fast, quick, and easy. So now we're ready to click send. And once it beeps, the file is ready to go. Now that the file is on the machine, we're gonna get our material set up. I've got a piece of 3mm walnut plywood. I'm gonna put it here on the bed. And then the Bolt has a cool touch probe that allows you to auto-focus the laser head at the push of a button. And that's setting the focal length so it's able to cut straight through that material and get the nice, sharp, crisp lines without having to fool with little gauges or like little pieces of acrylic. You can just do it automatically. Here's the camera, which is pretty awesome. Once you close the lid, you can get a complete view of the cut bed. Again, you can position your materials. I've already done all that, so I'm gonna close the lid. And because I have the file already loaded, I can hit play. Now the Bolt has an onboard blower, but we have it hooked up to our vacuum system. So in Lightburn, once you hit play, the blower has a delay, or the laser has a delay, so that once the blower gets up and running, then it'll cut and evacuate all the fumes. And again, we're just gonna hook it up to our system and we're gonna get cutting. I'll be right back. So check that out. I went from idea to finished product in about 4.5 minutes. The Thunderbolt is quieter, simpler, it's faster, it's cleaner, nice clean cuts. And it's available for you down here at the FirstBuild Makerspace. 5 to 8 during the week, 9 to 5 on Saturdays. FirstBuild.com, you can reserve time on these machines. Come on down, load up your graphics, cut out cool stuff. It's $2 per cut job, that's the entire bed, super cheap. Bring your materials, or we've got materials here for you. Come use this machine to make your cool stuff just like I did. We are making a bunch of cool stuff here at FirstBuild, so go back and check out the library of our 2-minute prototypes, some of our smoker content, other laser stuff that we've got going on. I've got to get back to work, so I'm gonna be making more of these. Go watch the rest of those videos and we'll see you next time.